Twini Jonas asem no eya ye bibie o. Because aya na isim say ye kan krofo bi mpese on beti ase. Twini Jonas ene ne yonko pa woni ne ye music a. Omudi showbiz na chi pa ne gina ho no. Omo Fred say the don. Say the don. Ono oni ne gina ho no. Na say the don na ba be kan sem bi say for the past some while ni on Twini Jonas nka. Wa Fred Twini Jonas phone na Twini Jonas enye de emfa. Wa koni fie so okwo hwe no wa hu Twini Jonas. Enti oma MPP for warning say baby a Twini Jonas wo bia no. Omo provide Twini Jonas ma no. Enye sa de eba no eya yehu. Ti asem wa say the don kan na me no ni nkomo bi wa because eya yehu na youth no so ani abre this time pa. Mutie ni e pa o. Tie de say the don e kan.
On the MPP. Listen very fucking clearly. I ain't hear from Jonas all day. I've been calling his phone, he not answering. I went to his house, he not there. Listen, I've been getting messages from people saying that he's been arrested. I don't know what's going on. We've been good. But today, I don't know what's going on. It's a very strange day. But I need you guys to tell me if you have Jonas or not. You have 2 days to let me know. Come live, let me know if Jonas is arrested or not. If you guys don't let me know, I'm coming to Ghana myself. Don't play no fucking games. I will come to Ghana myself. Say the dawn. Don't fucking play with me.
Abusia ohun say the don no na e kasa no. Say the don ono se na ni Twini Jonas wo omotike mu a. Omo show cash because you see say omo ye comfortably sitting there, nice one with a nice background no. Na omo shoot music because say the don no obonwum ti no. Twini Jonas so na produce no. Twini Jonas na na de ne di akone aba ba bia. Ne nwuma a obo nyina Twini Jonas na e produce bibia in and out. But according to say the don na obi anim so ye close to Twini Jonas na. Ba bia omo na mo koba ne ade nyina omo music na omo shoot ni nyina according to say the don. He's been getting calls, several calls, say, where is Twini Jonas? And Twini Jonas has been arrested. It was an agent say, and amene woka say, and net wukwada amene woka say, where an agent say will be Tracy. What Fred Twini Jonas, Twini Jonas, and fact, what Tracy could feel when who Twini Jonas. And he's signing or to signal to MPP and another say, wherever Twini Jonas will be, I'm making sure say, I'm provide Twini Jonas because enibre yaba minua ade we ya yehu ano so ya yedin unim die ntira se bi pitu Twini Jonas a we mpo no wo United States of America ntina enkrofo bi ntimi ntru o mo support ye no na bre na bi tu Twini Jonas ana epiapia na okodru Ghana na ohia nkrofo bi ani youth ni mabu no omo so ani abere no omo se Ghana nkoyi no na omo ka se omo sori a eja ene beto. The only option an MPP for Benya said the option at Doyama Kone dede na omoye no. I just said you be a Twini Jonas and ya antin can be no woo. But say Twini Jonas betiase. Na se almost on by a brebre so beko Ghana na bibi betonwa. Minua me say Ghana kibe butu. Owo United States of America kura o true bullet kura ko Ghana no. Hwe said the name matimi e shake wo Ghana. Hwe said the mabunu ni esi abre. Ufe be bi obi anim say glass en ko ahwe fom. Obian was say Ghana and almost bear me aka say boldly now say at least near the whole Ghana crana 40% they at least they know say she form glass and kwa utimi say empenyumfo no de omu nyina amadwena say obian say Twini Jonas abi pebi we na to am you say form no class wo hwe form pa e wo Ghana now hwe form e wo United States of America no obi na be ka kire say na ekwa na say na ekwa nke say Twini Jonas be 6 days ni ko be 1 week ni yanti Twini Jonas nka since I hope sina doye na do mu ko ye mu program any NSO usu be mpatisi nwura mu omo so omo ko we Twini Jonas omo tisi mu omo si United States of America baby obi omo no since then Twini Jonas yanti ni ka bi the only thing I ya na obe postu ni nema to wo say ko be 1 week 6 days to 7 days 1 week ni yanti ni nka eti ama say the don no so ani abre say omo make sure say omo de be ba abonten na menua me ka asem bi a kire wo ha I still insist say I don't know why MPP for any brea or more tacky Twin Jonas. What is their main agenda? A fierce niggas who many can catch them say, where you been for too far, why not say on that? Been for by on that until say what is a Twin Jonas? Abagana. Because as I'm now kind of person making sure say, it will find any possible means to bring the boy down. Why is MPP people tagging Twin Jonas? Why is he the target? You say they don't come.
It's a very strange day. But I need you guys to tell me if you have Jonas or not. You have 2 days.
You have 2 days.
Come live. Let me know if Jonas is arrested or not. If you guys don't let me know.
That means say they don't also want to know say if truly and now really Twin Jonas has been arrested or not. Because I seem that the guy is also not getting something clear here. Me see a fierce nigga this idea we want to pa. They are finding all possible means. But I hear what idea. Germany, I mean, Peter, not here, more Germany, I mean, Germany has a chew, I ain't to me easily end the portal, sir. It be a police for the child, walk of police custody, near Osho, near Mumquan fast over near full process, Arabia, Yakosek to seek asylum. Your friends say, could dear Drew, you are going to seek asylum. But the Omudia Twin Jonas in a threat today, a easy way to seek asylum. Because asylum seeking is whereby you have been a threat in your country, and anthrophobia threatens so become. And then the country that you are in, they will accept you and protect you, say, you will not, because you are not able to go back to your country. And this is a situation whereby Twin Jonas is in critical condition. MPP people are threatening him. They are threatening him to deport, for them say you be deporting and now obenya sem. The same people hide a camera on Twin Jonas, a brand Twin Jonas live videos. So he has been getting threatened messages. And a young kasa penny for no more Ghana. Bebrena bonidin dia kan semuntino. That guy is being a threat. It is so better media seek asylum. I don't know in US how they seek asylum, but in Kenya, Germany, Europe, they are easy to seek asylum because almost threatening so many ways. To say now, Twin Jonas is nowhere to be found. Hobson Adoyem also be making allegations. Be said they know exactly where Twin Jonas is living. Only a software be nete. Na sa software no na di living room. Ama Twin Jonas omode some a taboo bi o se bibi atwam ntemo. Say the be Twin Jonas ebetimi afa living room ho as obabi or no beda. Uchim say obeye in the place. That was what Hobson Adoye said. And also Hobson Adoye made mention say he knows exactly where Twin Jonas is working. And then Twin Jonas has been sacked. And in Krofobi, Twin Jonas, and nowhere to be found. Say Twin Jonas or a Bema, Umbra life near Shadi. These allegations made by Hobson Adoye are threats. So if anything should happen to Twin Jonas, if anything at all, that we will hear bad news about Twin Jonas, first person is Hobson Adoye. And Hobson Adoye is working with a fierce Schwarzenegger, supported by MPP people. Because my imagine say Twin Jonas SRD will be krata na ye adwuma. They will make sure they will bring him down. Ghana, what is really going on? Obi ntimi nka na adwene ewo nanado administration yi mu ana. Obi ntimi nkyere na adwene ana. And if Twin Jonas is a target to MPP people, MPP for nko na Twin Jonas kan o masem ana. Meanwhile, we have